In this Rightsizing board update, we will provide the latest on our facilities repurposing efforts. In June of 2024, the Counselors of Real Estate, national experts and advisors to complex real estate challenges, visited our district and interviewed 75 local and regional stakeholders in order to develop a broad understanding of the diverse perspectives related to facilities repurposing. In advance of the visit, the team reviewed existing data, building plans, market data, and school repurposing examples from other communities. This resulted in a final report that is now available through our facilities repurposing website. The report offers advice and recommendations on big questions such as how might we organize the entire project, how we might organize community engagement, and how we might prioritize and/or group facilities for repurposing. We want to take a moment to recognize the CRE team in addition to Gilbert Gonzalez and the San Antonio Board of Realtors. Through SABRE, our district was able to receive support via the Transforming Neighborhoods program, which led to this report. The CRE report poses good questions, ideas, and resources meant strictly as advice and recommendations for us to further explore as we move forward in this process. The Office of Strategy, along with members of the facilities leadership team, reviewed the CRE report and identified several priority next steps. First, communicate to the board around the passage in the report that indicates there may be a need to reconsider the district's stance on selling these properties and/or consider the need to demolish properties. We are not advocating for a change, merely alerting the board to the statement and the possibility that future learning through the process and research may lead to these discussions or ideas. Second, begin the initial work on asset management principles and policies that will allow the district to manage this function as efficiently and effectively as possible. Third, formalize the process pathway around SAISD's internal use and remove any facilities that are needed for SAISD reuse, such as storage, professional development, school expansion sites, etc. Fourth, work with our legal team to immediately begin a district-wide evaluation and updating of deeds for all properties. Start with the low-hanging fruit properties, then other repurposing buildings, and finally all occupied and in-use properties. We are currently still in the process of collecting input on the report from our facilities repurposing panel. In addition, the facilities repurposing district team is discussing options for how to publicly share the report to engage in a community dialogue. We are calling on all community members to share their voice and help us reimagine our SAISD buildings impacted by rightsizing. We have launched a facilities repurposing interest survey to collect feedback. Through this feedback, we expect to learn more about how our stakeholders envision the future of our community. We're asking all students, staff, parents, caregivers, and community members to take the short survey by visiting www.saisd.net/FRP survey. In addition, we are encouraging all SAISD stakeholders to share this information and get others to complete the survey. The survey window is tentatively open now until the end of December. The Office of Strategy is actively collaborating with other district departments to develop a robust communication plan to collect survey responses. Our plan includes digital and non-digital methods for survey collection, attending in-person events, communicating to community partners such as elected officials, faith-based groups, neighborhood associations, and more, and delivering flyers and collecting surveys at various locations within the community. We encourage all community partners that want flyers or more information to contact the SAISD Office of Strategy at 210-554-2622. This concludes our board rightsizing update for October 2024.